Hey guys, it's Steve Lamont, the founder at Elevate, and today we're going to continue our conversation on how to get great deals, even though affordability is a huge challenge right now in the real estate market. So we're going to break down two ways that you can get 4% interest rates or less. And at Elevate Realty Group, we're compiling a bunch of properties, thousands and thousands of homes that qualify for you to purchase at 2.5, 3.5, 4% interest rates. Let me break this down for you and tell you how to get the best deals on homes in Sacramento. So deal number one, we attack VA home loans. Now, if you're a veteran and you can qualify to use the VA home loan, we can go and target all the homes that have VA loans with interest rates less than 4%. Then we target those neighborhoods that you want to live in and select those homes that are currently not active for sale but have mortgage rates under 4%, and then we can start marketing to those properties. So if you're a VA home buyer, we can absolutely get you an interest rate. We call it our 4% guarantee. We can find you a home under 4% if you're a VA home buyer. Now, for the rest of you, conventional home buyers, FHA home buyers, there are thousands and thousands and thousands of homes in the Sacramento region. I would say roughly 60% or more have interest rates below 4%. Now, these are owners who are kind of locked into their homes because they don't want to sell and go get an interest rate at 7%. But if we can target these homes, which we've compiled a list of all of the homes with government-backed loans that are 4% or less, if we can target these homes, we can make them offers on their homes that are typically over market value. So if you're buying a home, say at $600,000, and let's say a property that has an FHA loan that is assumable, has an interest rate of 3.5%, if that home's worth $600,000, and we write that seller an offer for $640,000, right? They are very enticed to take that deal. If we can assume their mortgage, if you pay $640,000 on a $600,000 home, your mortgage payment at 3% is probably $400 or $500 less than if you paid market value at today's interest rates at $600,000. Now, there's a lot of nuts and bolts to this. Let's talk about one of the key things when we start this process that you need to understand. Number one, you have to qualify to assume the mortgage of the subject property, right? So you still have to qualify for a mortgage, you still have to have a down payment, all of those things. And there are some nuts and bolts on how you assume the mortgage and then pay, the balance between what the mortgage is and what the purchase price is. We can walk you through that. The second thing is you need to allot more time. So we can't make an offer and close in 14 days or 21 days. We usually budget around 90 days to complete this process. If you're considering buying a home and affordability is a challenge, I think that's for everybody. Elevate Realty Group has very specific and creative ways to make this happen, capture the dream of home ownership and start building equity at a lower cost. Reach out to us at homesbyelevate.com or call us at 916-436-SELL.